Recently, clients from Australia and Japan visited HUAYANG Steel Pipe for a factory inspection. They are the first overseas clients to visit Huayang after the Spring Festival. The clients first visited the HFW workshop to learn about the production process and equipment operation. They then toured the LSAW workshop, observing the welding operations and pipe forming process on site. At the anti-corrosion workshop, they gained a detailed understanding of the surface treatment and coating procedures. Finally, they visited the laboratory to observe the comprehensive testing process for both raw materials and finished products. From manufacturing to quality inspection, the entire process is transparent, standardized, and under strict control. Both sides held in-depth discussions on product standards, technical requirements, and cooperation details. Coinciding with the Lantern Festival, the clients enjoyed traditional sweet dumplings with the Huayang team, experiencing the festive atmosphere of Chinese culture.
Thank you.
Winning trust with quality, connecting the world with sincerity. HUAYANG Steel Pipe, working hand in hand with partners worldwide.